here. If you didn't come in and say hello and leave, he was here for about
with a long crowd. And so I was trying to find something for Ken to get into because Ken had so much energy.
It's something I'll never forget and something I'll cherish forever. To do it on the football field in front of a bunch of people watching, it's definitely going to be a blessing. Go big or go home, so big ring on the bell. That's what it'll be.
Being able to ring the bell knowing that you're a 100% donor and knowing that, that your chances of continuing to survive and thrive and beat this is a big deal. And so being able to ring that bell as a sign of victory that he, has triumphed over cancer is a really exciting moment.